What's up, everyone? Welcome back to See My Review, your favorite spot for unboxings, sneaker heat, and must-have deals. Today, we're unboxing a pair that's been highly anticipated and finally made its return after more than a decade. Yes, I'm talking about the legendary Air Jordan 4 Retro Thunder. The box itself already feels premium, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So sit tight, because we're about to dive into the details of this bold, stylish retro drop. As soon as I lift the lid, that premium black nubuck upper hits different. The tour yellow accents on the midsole, tongue, and lace eyelets pop against the black like lightning through a night sky. No pun intended. One of the biggest advantages of this silhouette is its combination of old-school Jordan legacy with a fresh, bold energy that works with almost any streetwear look. It's got that instant flex vibe whether you're rocking them on foot or adding them to your display wall. Let's talk build quality. Jordan Brand really brought the heat with this one. The materials feel top tier. That nubuck is smooth and durable, and the craftsmanship is clean with no visible glue marks or stitching flaws. You've got the Jumpman logo on the tongue, the heel tab, and inside the insole subtle reminders of MJ's greatness. Comfort-wise, it delivers solid cushioning underfoot and ankle support you can actually feel. The Thunder colorway hasn't been seen since 2012, and its return in 2023 is part of Jordan Brand's spring-summer lineup. That makes this pair not only a fashion statement but also a collector's piece. Whether you're a hardcore sneakerhead or someone who appreciates iconic design, this drop checks all the boxes. It's got history, hype, and head-turning visuals. Styling these kicks is a breeze. Pair them with black cargo pants, distressed denim, or even shorts. The yellow gives your outfit a bold focal point. Throw on a minimal hoodie or a vintage Jordan tee, and you've got an outfit that low. If you're serious about sneakers and streetwear, then copshoe.ru is a destination you definitely need to check out. This site has built a solid reputation among sneakerheads and fashion enthusiasts for offering top-tier, high-quality sneakers and fashion items. Everything from the latest Jordans and Yeezys to exclusive collaborations and trending streetwear. What sets copshoe.ru apart is its commitment to authenticity. Every item is carefully sourced to ensure you're getting the real deal, not a cheap imitation. Whether you're copying your next grail or just adding something fresh to your rotation, you'll find an impressive range that covers all styles and budgets. Beyond the products themselves, copshoe.ru truly understands what customers want. They offer affordable prices without cutting corners on quality, making premium fashion more accessible. Their secure payment methods give you peace of mind with every purchase. And with fast, reliable shipping, you won't be waiting forever to rock your new kicks. Plus,